It's been 10 years since Skyrim came out, and to mark the occasion, I've decided to try and make some meads from the game. When you go around Honningbrew Meadery, which is just south of Whiterun, you'll find plenty of barrels with apples in. So I believe the famous Honningbrew Mead was actually a Cyser. A Cyser is a mead that's made with apple juice rather than just water and honey. So this is the recipe I'll be using. For this Cyser I've decided to add some cinnamon as well, because I think it enhances the flavour. And as before, I'll just be using apple juice for this. I won't be actually crushing and pressing my own apples to get my juice. So you can just use regular apple juice from the store, as long as you make sure that you get one that's just 100% apple juice. Okay, it has to have no preservatives in it whatsoever, because that'll inhibit our fermentation. Fruit-infused meads like this Cyser are collectively called melomels. I'm also doing a blackberry melomel to represent the blackbriar mead from the game too. 4 litres of apple juice. I won't be using quite all of that. And I got 2 bottles of honey. As you can see, there's 720 grams each. So let's get cracking. Always sterilise your equipment before you start. Once you've sterilised your fermentation vessel, add your honey. Then add the first 2 litres of apple juice so you can give it a good shake. This ensures it's thoroughly mixed and gets some oxygen into there as well for the yeast. Once your must is fully mixed like this, you can then simply top up with the rest of the apple juice. For a Cyser of these ratios, you should end up with an ABV of about 15% depending on the yeast you use. Once your must is at the right temperature, pitch your yeast. Then give it another good shake and fit an airlock. By the next day, you should have good signs of fermentation. And within a couple of weeks, the airlock will stop bubbling and you know it's ready to rack it off into a clean vessel. At this stage, you can also add a cinnamon stick to infuse some extra flavour. Store this in a cool place for a month or so to clarify, and then you're ready for bottling. You could drink it at that point, but it will taste much better if you give it a few more months in the bottle to condition. So thanks very much for your time, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing here. Or if you want to watch another video like it, try this one out. Cheers!